Hi, my name is Sarita, and I am taking the session from Chinmay in Karma Center. So, since 2018, so before 2018, my life was so beautiful. I mean, I was having everything. And after, 2018, I had been through so many ups and downs in my life. Previously, I was not aware what pain is, but after, 2018, things were not in my favor. I mean, I have a problems in my relationship. And then the biggest, loss in my life is that I lost my dad in 2020, and it was so sudden. Whatever the problems I was having in my life was like my dad was there with me, and he was supportive, and he was like my shadow. He was always motivating me and taking care of me. He was my biggest support in my life, and he was all well. I mean, he was the day he left us. That day also we had a lunch together, and we are six siblings, and we have a big huge family, and I was most connected with my dad. I mean, he was everything for me. And then his sudden demise shattered me. I was hospitalized for like 6 months. I was going through depression, and I was getting treated there in Varanasi. Varanasi is my hometown. I've been through so many counselors. Like I've been in Varanasi, in Kanpur, in Bangalore. I mean, everyone was telling me the same thing, which my family was also telling me that you have to accept it, and everyone has to go one day. So these things, even I was aware. No, I was taking like 15, 16 pills in a day. Before that, I couldn't think of my life. I tried to, commit suicide like couple of times in my life. And though I was going through the counseling sessions in Fortis Hospital and in other cities as well, I was on the pills like for like 2 3 years. Then I have just given up in my life, and I don't know. I don't wanted to live. I thought ki with my dad everything has gone, and I have no support. My family, yeah, they love me a lot, but like my dad, nobody is there in my life, and I have given up in my life, and I was trying to just end up. Then I came to know about Karma Center. I just, gone through it, and I studied, and I thought of just giving a chance, because I have been through so many counselors, like more than 5, 6 counselor I have been. But then when I came to Karma Center, I for like couple of days were just a counseling for me, and I was getting to know whether I want to continue or not. Then within 2, 3 days only, I felt no. I think I want to continue. And then I have now, it's been like almost 1 year that I'm going through this karma counseling, and I cannot tell you, but my life has changed. I have started seeing my life in a different perspective, and now I myself want to live. I want to. Now I'm getting a better version every passing day after attending these sessions. There are so many things which I was not aware, and nobody was telling me. Though I have spent, I think more than 3, 4 lakhs on myself. My family has, already spent on me, but I haven't got that help and answer that why should I live. I have left with no reasons to live life, but here coming to Center, getting sessions from counselors over here, my life has entirely changed. Now I myself want to live. I mean, there were so many issues in my life, in my personal life, professional life, everything got ruined like anything after my death. I don't want to not do anything. I was sleeping whole day, taking medicine, sleep. But after coming here, I am not taking a single. I'm just taking one medicine in a day, and all the 13, 14 medicines which I was taking, everything has been stopped. After going through these sessions, I came to know life is so precious, and we should always, as we get a fever we go to the doctors, right? So why not come to Karma Center and get a best version of yourself. And then when I joined, it's now a month. I have completed my like 20, 30 sessions over here, and I'm really very happy. I'm doing great in my life. And also, I have joined seven chakra meditation here only in Karma Center and yoga. And I mean, I am happy. I cannot say it's. I have short of words, but it's a best place to get the best version of yourself. I recommend everyone who is going through these pains in their life, who is struggling, who are not able to think that they want to live or not. They are having so many negative thoughts in their mind. They should definitely come to Karma Center and get a best version of yourself. So thank you so much, and thank you to Karma Center and my counselors. Thank you so much.